Yeah.
Okay, but this water here would be bubbling rapidly. Here's your suction. It's 20 centimeters of water suction rather than dialing it in. Okay? And then this is your chamber that collects. Okay, this is your collection chamber. Water seal suction. Okay. This is your collection, water seal suction.
So
This is
they're labeled the same letters.
no,
A, B, C, D. Yeah, because A.
yeah, yes, they are. I had to check. I couldn't see. So, but
Yeah.
this is a water seal. This is a dry suction. Now the dry suction still has a water seal. It just doesn't have this.
Meh.
So it's just not as loud.
Well, yes, is there a suction?
This will actually bubble up when you connect to the section.
I don't know whether I can make this do this or
Do you want us to hook it up to the wall? Or is it going to be?
This is purely a troubleshoot thing. We'll give you some questions about what to do if.
Okay.
Is the bevel. Right?
I don't know what B is, honestly.
Well, because
But
that's
C
the
is a
orange.
water seal.
The baffle was the orange V.
Yes, I'll show you that.
E for
See
va-
how
oh, no,
this
it's
is
E.
doing.
Oh, there's no E on this one.
That's what happens when it's inside a patient. That's always on.
It's kind of like a
This
noisemaker.
is supposed to happen. That isn't. Okay.
Oh.
So this is supposed to bubble. This
How are you
is
causing that
supposed to
to
happen.
change?
Pinching the tube
Oh,
to
okay.
pretend like it's in a patient.
Okay.
I'm tricky. So, but you don't want this kind of vigorous bubbling in the water seal. That means there's a serious problem.
Okay.
Okay, but this, and that's why I typically don't use those anymore because of that noise.
What is this little ball down here?
That's just, see, it comes up when, that tells you it's at the right level. It's supposed to be 2 centimeters here, okay? Now let me,
Oh, that means the suction is on too high for it to be bubbling so much.
well, I've got it directed to this, so.
Yeah, it would, I mean, it would be if it really were, but it's, I shouldn't have it connected right.
That's interesting. Why would that not? There we go. Have to do the same little magic. It's not coming out because I cannot simulate a patient up, but you can see that it is coming out. The orange baffle. So you've got a water seal, collection chamber, suction. Water seal, collection chamber, suction. Water seal, suction, collection chamber. Because you're going to have to identify parts. What's B?
I don't know.
It's just where it goes in. That's the 20 centimeters. So, yes. No, because that's where the water is.
Okay, so A is suction.
Don't worry about B. We'll cover it up. We won't be tricky.
A is the
Oh,
section
so
level.
suction, baffle, is that what it's called?
But the orange baffle, but this is suction. It won't be hooked up. You're going to have to identify the chambers. Okay.
E down here is the water seal.
Water seal. Now this is a dry section. It's a water seal.
What does that mean? When you
Yeah.
say water seal?
It's a good question.
Why do you need a water seal? Pressure to go back into the lungs prevents back pressure.
It keeps the air from coming back in. It's sealed, the tube is sealed by water. So when they take a breath in, they're not breathing in air, and the water's too heavy to come up. So it seals it.
It's like blowing water out of a straw into your soda.
Oh, but if you suck it back, it'll be liquid.
Well, but it doesn't allow that. But
It's too
if
heavy
you
'cause
push the air in the straw, where does that air go?
Into
The soda or dissipates or whatever. So it can't come back into the patient.
that makes sense.
And that's your whole goal, is you're trying to get rid of either air or fluid, depending on the problem with the patient. So.
You said we have either one of these.
We'll put them both out, I
Yeah.
guess.
Oh, so we can label whichever one we put them on.
If they're both the same.
Yeah.
Just thought I'd give you a clue. Yeah, they're both collection chamber, water seal, suction. So if we labeled that, if we covered this up, would you know what that was? Yeah,
Okay, so they have to identify the chambers. What else do they need to be able to do?
that's it.
Troubleshoot?
Secret.
Oh.
Troubleshoot.
Well, like, what are some possibilities?
Some possibilities of what do you do if the tube comes out of the patient? What do you do
Cover it.
if it comes disconnected? What do you do if you discover an air leak? Those were the things that we taught in lab anyway. Oh no, yeah. I bet there's a troubleshooting section in here.
Okay.
Thank you. You bet.